We're going to take a look at the DeWalt 20 volt cordless planer. I've had this for over 5 years now. It's been a great little planer. The thing about planers is there's nothing overly complicated about them. This is basically the same planer that you'll see anywhere, except it's DeWalt's version in cordless on their platform. It does have a brushless motor on it, which is great for longer runtime. Other than that, pretty much the features you would expect. Your adjustment knob is up front. That's going to adjust how much you take off. Feels great, doesn't feel bad at all making those adjustments. It does typically come with an edge guide for planing door edges or anything that you want to keep a 90-degree angle with. I don't know where that is at. I don't use it very often. Actually, I don't ever use it, which is why I don't have it. Chip ejection, obviously out the side. You can put dust collection on that if you so choose. Battery goes on the back. It's got good ergonomics, feels good in the hand. It's got a nice safety switch here, so you can't pull the trigger unless you depress this. I think that's an important feature to have on a planer because you wouldn't want that going off whenever you have it in your arms or something like that. A couple other well thought out features. There is this little knob on the side here that'll pop this cap off, and you can actually put spare blades in the side right here. I don't have any in there right now, but that's what that's for. Nice little feature there. And then they do give you the wrench on the side to change the blades out if you need them. So that's nice that that's provided. This little guy on the bottom just makes it so that you can set the tool down without setting it on the blades whenever you set it down. As a professional trim guy, the main thing that I have used this for is scribing or hogging out a lot of material in a random situation that you might encounter. But it definitely is a tool that I keep on the van at all times. I'll go ahead and plane some 1x with it and show you how it works. Here I've got a piece of 1x clamped to the edge of the table, and I'm going to turn my knob to 1/32. We'll make a couple passes. You will notice it has that really quick stop. Definitely doesn't take too long to stop spinning. Now in my personal workflow, I primarily use this for scribing, so I might use this on a cabinet style where I've got a scribe line that I want to cut to so that it fits tight to the wall, or maybe I'm fitting beams to a ceiling or something like that. In all those cases, I've got a scribe line that I'm working to. So I just use the tool on a fairly low setting and just keep sneaking up on my scribe line until I get to where I want to be. So in that case, I usually use the tool on the side like this and just keep working it like so. So in that case, you've got to keep your eyes on the blade and see exactly how much it's taking off. You have to use a pretty low depth setting in order to be effective with that technique, but it does work great for that. All in all, I feel like this is a great tool at a very reasonable price point. It's held up great for me. I've got zero complaints with it, so I'd highly recommend it if you're looking for a cordless planer and use it on the DeWalt platform.